Welcome back to our channel, Data Discoveries. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore. Can bioinformatics work as a data scientist? It's a question that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, so let's dive right in. Understanding bioinformatics. First things first, what exactly is bioinformatics? Bioinformatics is a multidisciplinary field that combines biology, computer science, and data analysis to extract valuable insights from biological data. It deals with a vast amount of genetic, molecular, and clinical data generated in fields like genomics, proteomics, and healthcare. The overlapping skills. Now, let's talk about the skills that bioinformaticians share with data scientists. Both fields require a strong foundation in statistics, programming, and data manipulation. Bioinformaticians often use programming languages like Python and R, just like data scientists. Data handling. In bioinformatics, data handling is a critical skill. Scientists deal with massive datasets from DNA sequences, protein structures, and clinical records. They need to clean, preprocess, and analyze this data, which is remarkably similar to what data scientists do. Machine learning in bioinformatics. Machine learning plays a significant role in both bioinformatics and data science. In bioinformatics, it's used for tasks like predicting protein structures, identifying disease biomarkers, and classifying genomic data. These applications involve complex algorithms and model building, akin to data science projects. Translating biological insights. One of the fascinating aspects of bioinformatics is its ability to translate biological insights into actionable information. For example, bioinformaticians might analyze genomic data to identify genes associated with specific diseases. Similarly, data scientists extract valuable insights from data to drive decision-making in various industries. Challenges and opportunities. Of course, there are challenges too. Bioinformatics professionals may need to bridge the gap between biology and data science, learning both fields to be effective. However, this multidisciplinary approach can open doors to exciting opportunities at the intersection of biology and data. Real-world applications. Let's not forget about real-world applications. Bioinformaticians work in healthcare, pharmaceuticals, and research institutions, contributing to advancements in personalized medicine and disease understanding. Data scientists, on the other hand, are in high demand across industries, from finance to e-commerce, leveraging data for business success. Conclusion. In conclusion, bioinformatics and data science share numerous commonalities, from skills to the use of machine learning and data handling. So, can bioinformatics work as a data scientist? Absolutely. The cross-disciplinary skills make bioinformaticians valuable assets in data-driven fields, and the future is bright for those who can bridge the gap between biology and data science. Thank you for joining us today on Data Discoveries. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting discussions on data-related topics. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep discovering the world through data.